This is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can increase the photo resolution, thus achieve more photo details using the default camera app of this device. So that's basically a very straightforward and simple thing to do. You just gotta enter the camera pro mode, and in here at the top toolbar just tap at the 108 number over here, which basically will enable the 108 megapixels Ultra HD mode, as you can see. And now all the pictures that we will take in it will be shot at a very high resolution using the 108 megapixels. So if we'll go to the picture details, somewhere in here we should have okay, so here it is. As you can see, the resolution is, well, quite high if you ask me. It's 9000 by 12,000. So yep. And additionally, if you'll zoom into the picture and, well, you've taken it with the steady hands unlike me and the focus was on point, you will be able to zoom into the smallest details and the smallest objects in the picture and see them very clearly. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.